Gang wars and Gundaism will not be tolerated. Police have been given direction to act tough, says Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant. As COVID-19 positive cases keep rising in the states, Chief Minister says that people are not being very cooperative, but promises to enforce social distancing, wearing of masks. Everything is done as per law, says Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant and Deputy CM Babu Kavlekar in aftermath of the Supreme Court notice to Speaker on Congress MLAs joining the BJP. Hi, this is Clinton D'Souza, and now the news in detail. Gang wars and Gundaism won't be tolerated, the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said on Thursday. The police department has been given directions in a bid to maintain law and order.
The government has been on the mat after shootouts and murders hit the headlines, even as Section 144 and curfew is in force. The Chief Minister convened a meeting with IGP Jaspal Singh and other police officers on Thursday to review the situation.
ओल्ड गोवा पुलीस स्टेशनच्या जुरिडिक्शनात येवपी जे दोन ग्रुपांच्या मदीं जाल्ली झगडी ह्या सगळ्याचेर म्हणजे विचार विनिमय तांच्या बरोबर डिस्कशन जाल्या उपरांत पुराय राज्यांत लॉ एंड ऑर्डर मेंटेन जावची हाजेर डिटेल डिस्कशन पयलींच जाल्ले बट ते कोणूच सुटचो ना एकटोय ह्या पद्दतीन सगळ्यांक धरल्या रिजन्स वेगवेगळे आसतले रिजन्स हांव पर्टिक्युलर रिजनान वचना बट अशा पद्दतीची गुंडगिरी अशा पद्दतीची दोन गँगां मदीं झगडी ही परत आनीक जावंक जायना अशें कोण आसा तांकां पयलींच पुलीस स्टेशनान हाडून ती अद्दल घडोवपाची गरज आसा.
IGP Jaspal Singh said police are told to keep watch on history sheeters in bid to avoid gang wars. Even juvenile history sheeters would be under police scanners. Efforts will be made to keep minors away from the crimes.
In fact, the Santa Cruz incident, although police has comprehensively worked out the incident and around 22 people have already been arrested in that. Weapon of offence has also been recovered, and in continuation to that incident, we have directed all the police inspectors to particularly put people under surveillance, those who are budding criminals. Today, Honorable Chief Minister also spoke about this incident, and he also directed all the PIs to keep such people under surveillance in their respective police stations, particularly those who are juveniles, and they need to be weaned away from these kind of incidents, and if required, we need to talk to their parents also. That we will definitely talk to their parents also, because parental supervision is required. Juvenile need not be tackled by a police officer in uniform. Even there are instructions that when you are dealing with the juvenile, a police officer should not be in uniform. So we will also keep such people under surveillance, talk to their parents, and if they are school-going children or if they are college-going children, we will talk to their teachers also. So,
Amar Chavriya for Goa 365 from Panji.
People must take care of themselves. They should also maintain social distancing and be cautious, the South Goa Collector Ajit Roy said on Thursday. South Goa Collector Ajit Roy visited the Vasco Deputy Collector's office and held a closed-door discussion on the COVID-19 situation. After the meeting, Roy said that every person must take care of themselves as cases are rising. He also maintained that there is no decision on realignment of the Mangur containment zone, but the administration has begun increasing testing in the affected areas.
Simple. I mean, everybody has to maintain discipline, because we know how this virus spreads. So if you are wearing mask, if you are maintaining distance, if you are wearing gloves when you are going to infected areas, then you are protected. So no one should be careless as far as personal safety is concerned.
So office का chief officer municipality के लिए कुछ बोला है कि
this is common for all.
जो ऑफिस स्टाफ के लिए कुछ ऑफिस स्टाफ कुछ
Same thing. It's a simple thing. We must bring it in our habit. Administrative work.
सर एनी स्पेशल जैसे जुआरी नगर या बाकी जगह पे केसेस मिलने लगे, कुछ ऐसा कंटेनमेंट जोन बढ़ाने का सोचा है कुछ सर?
नहीं, अभी कंटेनमेंट जोन का सिचुएशन नहीं है अभी कहीं पे, ठीक है, थिंग्स आर अंडर कंट्रोल.
बट चेकिंग वगैरह बढ़ाया जाएगा,
वो हम कर रहे हैं हर एरिया में. वी आर इंक्रीजिंग टेस्टिंग सो दैट वी गेट टू नो एट ऑल केसेस कम अप, वी गेट टू नो.
मंगूर का कुछ कंटेनमेंट जोन कम करने का उसके बारे में कुछ आया था, उसके बारे में कुछ हुआ?
सिस्टम विल कंटिन्यू.
It Thiru Mahale for Goa 365 in Vasco. The induction of the MLAs from other parties into the BJP has been done as per the law, says Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant and the Deputy Chief Minister Babu Kavlikar. Babu even went further, saying it will be good if other MLAs also join the BJP. The issue of these Congress MLAs joining the BJP has come up again after the Apex Court admitting the Congress petition against the defection of 10 MLAs.
As Speaker had not given his judgment on the entry of the 10 MLAs from Congress into BJP, Congress has approached the Supreme Court. On Wednesday, the Chief Minister convened a meeting with all 10 MLAs. Listen.
हय त्यांच्या थोड्याशा पेपरात न्यूज दिल्ल्या कारण कन्फ्युजन आशिल्लें तर ताजेर डिस्कशन रिगार्डिंग दी केस आनी सुप्रीम कोर्टान घातला ताच्या संदर्भातले डिस्कशन
इवन बाबून म्हटला की आम्ही कॉन्फिडंट आसा की आम्ही सगळे सारखे केला म्हणून
बरोबर आसा जो कितें विशय केला तो सारको केल्लो
आणि ते रुमर्साचे राजन कितें म्हणा तुम्ही
कसल्या
दोग जाण आमदार तुमकां जॉईन जावंक शकता
नो कमेंट.
The MLAs, including the Deputy Chief Minister Babu Kavlikar, spoke to Goa 365 after the meeting on Wednesday. Babush Monserrat put the ball in the Speaker's court, saying he would decide, even as Babu said that they had done nothing wrong.
आम्ही जे कितें केल्लें आसा 10 जाण जे आमी गेला ते सगळे सोफस्का सगळे हे करून गेला हेतून कांयच इलिगल कांय ना कांयच रॉंग ना आनी तातूंत भितर आमकां 1% सुद्दां कांय विचार म्हणजे टेन्शन अशें कांयच ना
सो डिस्क्वॉलिफाय जाता
प्रश्न येना सगळे जे कितें आमी प्रिकॉशन घेवपा इतले घेतला आनी रितसर गेलात कायदेशीर गेलात ना आमीच मेळ्ळे.
ओके आनी एक विशय म्हणटा पळय ते दोग जाण येता म्हणजे कितें बरोबर पडलें तेजेर कितें कित्याक तुमी एक सायडीच्यान 10 जाणांचे लिडर सो हे दोग जाण तेजेर कितें म्हणटा तुमचे तुमी बाब मेळ्ळे हांव तुमी कितें बाब उलयल्या
पूण येता तें खबर ना पूण येता जाल्यार
आवाज आयकूंक येयला तुका
हांगाच्या भाजप पक्षाक आमी कशें 10 जाण आयिल्ले आसात अशें जर आयिल्ले आसा कित्याक बऱ्यापैकी चल्ला सगळें वेवस्थीत आसा आतांय 10 जाण येयले आमी बरें आहा तशें जर कोणा येता जाल्यार कोणाक कोण ना म्हणचें ना म्हाका म्हायती हेजेर कांय ना पूण येता जाल्यार अशें कांय म्हायती ना पूण येता जर आसत कोण जाल्यार बरी लक्षात न्ही सरकार बरें काम करता डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत बरें काम करता आनी त्याच्या कामाक लागून एट्रॅक्ट जावन लोक विचार करता आसतले पूण म्हाका म्हायती अशी ना तुम्ही म्हाका विचारले म्हणून सांगता
मला तेंचेर मागीर डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन जावंक शकता
ना म्हाका खबरच ना कोण येता ना येतात तुम्ही म्हणले म्हणून सांगता
ओके
पूण हाचे कितें आतां डिस्कशन जालें कोण दोग जाण येवपाचें
तेजेर कितें डिस्कशन बी जालां
तो काय टॉपिक
कांय ना सगळें बरें आसा
As far as the Supreme Court has asked, so we will be taking our lawyer. No? So it is just that this thing that discussion had taken place.
No, but what you have to say means you feel that the case would be in your favor. You all have done the correct thing.
No, see, listen to me. Now, what is the Honorable Supreme Court is asking the speaker. It is the case is on the speaker, no, to whether to have the this thing, whatever judgment, to give his judgment in time bound.
Okay.
So on that this thing, that issue basically will be going to also to this thing. No. We don't have anything. It is the speaker who has got to answer the Supreme Court. Nothing to do with us.
Amar Chavaria for Goa 365 from Panjim.
We will take a short break. Please stay with us. Welcome back. We will enforce strict social distancing and masks. People are not being very cooperative, but we will enforce this from a law and order perspective, says the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant on Wednesday, even as the COVID-19 positive cases keep on rising both in Goa and India.
As many as 16,922 coronavirus cases were reported in India in the last 24 hours. It's the biggest one-day spike for the second consecutive day in a row. This takes total tally of positive cases to 4.73 lakhs. The total number of cases in Goa has reached 951 as of Wednesday, and cases are still being reported in various parts of Goa.
लोकांक एकदां सांगलेलें कळना ते लॉ एंड ऑर्डर मेंटेन केल्या उपरांत ते जावपाक शकता म्हणून म्हाका दिसता आमचो सगळे पुलीस डिपार्टमेंटूय ह्या कामान खूब मोठ्या रितीन आमकां सगळ्यांक मदत करपाक शकतले. कोरोना स्पेशली कंट्रोल जावचो की लोकांक मास्क वापरप सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग मेंटेन करप हें सगळें करपा खातीर आनी ओवरऑल रिव्यू सगळ्या पुलीस स्टेशनचो घेवपा खातीर आयची मिटींग स्पेशली ऑर्गनायज केल्ली.
Containment zone Mangur Hill is yet to recover from the coronavirus spread. Ironically, a puja was performed in Maruti Temple at Mangur Hill, with locals fully violating social distancing norms during the puja. Watch.
आयज आमी कोरोना खातीर आयज हांगासर होम घातला मांगरात आनी आयज लोकांचे बरें जावं न्ही म्हणून हांगा एक कोरोना महामारी लागून आमी लोकांक हे भायर दवरून आमी हांगासर भटाक हे करून आमी केला कित्याक लोकांक कोरोनासान मुक्त जावं न्ही म्हणून जे कितें आमच्या देवान आमचें बरें केल्या पुरो आनी कांय ना.
After 3 areas in Vasco were turned into containment zones, 2 coronavirus cases were reported in Zuari Nagar, which is considered as Goa's biggest slum area.
2 केसीस कोरोना पॉझिटिव्ह मेळ्ळे आहा 2 केस सो दोगांयकूय शिफ्टेड तेंच्यांनी केल्ले आहा आनी हेज्या पयलीं जो आहा एक मेळ्ळेलो टोटल 3 जाले केसीस आतां पण तो कोणाच्या संपर्कांत नसलेलो म्हणून त्या कारणान तितले व्हडले कांय जावं ना सो आतां ही 2 मेळ्ळेले आहा तेजेत म्हाका दिसता भरपूर डेंजरस आहा कित्याक मांगरान जे हिसपान 6 मेळ्ळेले तेजे आयज 400 रिजल्ट जाल्ले आहा आनी हांगा जुवारी नगर म्हणटा ते आमचे फूल एरियान टोटल 15,000चे वयर पॉप्युलेशन आहा सो चड व्हडले जावपाक जायना म्हणून गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन कितें तरी मातशें सपोर्ट करपाची हे म्हाका लोकल MLA तेजे कडेन वचोन मेळ्ळो आनी लोकल MLAन म्हाका डॉक्टरा कडेन उलोवन तेंच्यांनी हेल्थ ऑफिसरा कडेन उलोवन बी तेंची आयज टीम धाडटा म्हणला सो तेंच्यांनी हेल्थाची टीम आयज येतली सो ते सगळे जाग्यार वचोन खंय खंय मेळटा ते सर्वे करतले सो तेंच्या वांगडा हांवूय रावतलो की खंय वयता कितें आहा आनी ते हिसपान मागीर टेस्टिंग आमच्या हेचेर जातलें.
2 persons were tested positive for coronavirus in Asolda village of Kurchureng constituency. Panchayat authorities swung into action and decided to undergo self-lockdown in the village.
असोल्डा विलेज पंचायतीच्या वाठारान आयज एक कोरोना पॉझिटिव्ह केस सापडले आहा सो ताका लागून आमी तातडीन आयज असोल्डा विलेज पंचायतीच्या मेंबरांक सगळे आपोवन एक पंचायतीन एक मिटींग घेतली आनी मिटिंगेक आमी अशें थारलें की सगळे जे कमर्शियल एस्टाब्लिशमेंट शॉप्स आसात जितले असोल्डा विलेज पंचायतीच्या वाठारान की तांकां एक वॉलंटरी 3 दीस आमी बंद करपाची रिक्वेस्ट केल्ली आनी जशें आमी सकाळच्यान तांकां सांगून हे रिक्वेस्टान सगळ्यांनी आमकां मान्यताय दिल्ली आसा सगळ्या शॉप ओनर्सांनी की आमी एक फाल्यांच्यान एक शेनवार पर्यंत 3 दीस ही सगळीं शॉपां बंद करतली. आमी सॅनिटायझेशन ऑलरेडी करपाक सांगलां आसा फायर डिपार्टमेंटान नोटीस दिल्ली आसा सॅनिटायझर केल्ली आसा सो तेणी आमकां करता म्हणून सांगलां फाल्यांच्यान आमी सॅनिटायझेशन करतले जी स्टाब्लिशमेंट आसा थंयसर लोक रावता गॅदरींग जाता थंयसर आमी सॅनिटायज करून घेतले.
A woman was tested positive for coronavirus in Buring area of Bali village. Firefighters sanitized the area and the market.
माझ्या ज्या वार्डान काल एक कोविड पेशंट पॉझिटिव्ह जो मेळ्ळो आसा सो तो कळटगीच आमी रोखडेच फुडल्यो एक्शन घेतल्यो आनी आज आमी फूल एरिया सॅनिटायज करून घेतली आसा प्लस ज्या फॅमिलीक मेळ्ळा तेंचे मेंबराक हाडून तेंचे टेस्ट म्हणजे सॅम्पल्स कलेक्ट करून तेंचो फुडलो प्रोसिजर करपाक डॉक्टरान सगळे हँडल केल्ले आसा.
सकाळी आमी सॅनिटायज करून घेतले आज फायर ब्रिगेड सगळे घराची सरावंडींग घरा आनी तेंगे टोटल फॅमिली बी आतां आमी चॅकींग हाडले ते कोरोना टेस्ट करपाक आनी हांव म्हाका आतां लोकांक स्पेशली कुंकोळ्यान सरावंडींग एरिया जाता तितू मातशें तुमी खंय भायर भोंवनाकाय म्हूण हे आतां एक केस जाली ती कोणाक काजरा गेली सोयऱ्या आंबेली तें जालें थिंगसून ते जालें म्हाका हें करून सो आतां सगळ्यांक आमी सरावंडींग ती कोणाक गेलोले थिंगसो खबर काडून सगळे आमी टेस्ट करतले.
Chinchini village has undergone self-lockdown for 4 days as decided by the Panchayat on Wednesday. All shops including essentials were closed. Pharmacies were allowed to remain open. However, people were seen roaming on streets despite the lockdown. Bicholi MLA and Speaker Rajesh Patnekar informed that one person was found positive for coronavirus in Sal. He said testing is underway in the area.
काल डिचरी मतदारसंघातल्या साळे ह्या गांवान एक पॉझिटिव्ह केस कोरोनाची मेळिल्ली आसा आनी त्या निमतान आयज ह्या कोरोनाचो स्प्रेड जावचो न्ही ह्या खातीर खबरदारी घेवपा खातीर आयज हांव मामलेदार श्री पंडीत हेल्थ ऑफिसर डॉक्टर मेधा सळकार त्याचप्रमाणे साळगांवचे सरपंच घनश्याम रावत पंच बाबलो रावत वसुदेव समाजसेवक मेघश्याम रावत यांच्यानी आयज साळ ह्या पंचायतीन बैठक घेतली आणि आयज सकाळी आमी डॉक्टर मेधा सळकारच्या अंडर टेस्टिंग आयज सुरू केल्लेलें आसा. हो मनीस जो आसा हो मनीस पॉझिटिव्ह केस जी मेळ्ळी तो गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजचा एम्प्लॉई आनी भंय जालो की हो भुरगो सगळे कडेन भोंवलो, सगळ्यांच्या संपर्कांत येलो, म्हणून भंय दिसलो की खंय संबंद गांवांत पसरचो न्हू म्हणून. त्या खातीर आयज टेस्टिंग चालू आसा प्रत्येक त्या वाड्या वयले.
A single day jump of 16,922 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In the last 24 hours, around 418 deaths were reported and 13,012 patients have recovered. India has reported 4,73,105 COVID-19 positive cases till date. The active cases have crossed the 1.86 lakh mark. 14,894 deaths are reported and more than 2.71 lakh patients have recovered. Maharashtra is leading with 1.42 lakh cases, followed by Delhi 73,390, Tamil Nadu 67,468, Gujarat 28,943 and Uttar Pradesh 19,557 cases. More than 1 lakh COVID-19 cases were reported worldwide in a single day. The COVID-19 cases have crossed the 95 lakh mark. 4.85 lakh deaths are reported and more than 51 lakhs have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 23 lakh cases, followed by Brazil 11.45 lakh cases, Russia 6 lakh cases. India is the 4th worst hit nation with 4.73 lakh cases and UK with 3.5 lakh cases. Shyam Chari, Hiru Mahale, Ramesh Naik Raut and Prahar Sarmuddekar for Goa 365 from Vasco, Chinchini and Asolde.
We will take a short break. Please stay with us. Welcome back. The Joint Forest Committee's report is set to be tabled after, and this is private forest areas would be notified, says Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant on Thursday. The meeting has been given an extension because of the lockdown.
Projects of people and also of the government are stuck as private forests. To discuss this problem, the Chief Minister convened a meeting with officials of Forest Department.
लोकांक फॉरेस्टाची एनओसी फॉरेस्ट एरिया नाचा सुद्दां घेवपाक लागता. थोडेशे स्ट्रीमलायन पॉलिसी स्ट्रीमलायन करण्या संदर्भातली सामान्य मनशाक खंयसरी घर बांदतलो आसा जाल्यार कंपल्सरी फॉरेस्टाची एनओसी घेवची पडटा. हाज्या खातीर डिस्कशन आशिल्लो. पयलो म्हणजे आमी सावंत कारापूरकरचो रिपोर्ट सबमीट केला एनजीटीन. ओके. दुसरो थॉमस आजावेदाचो रिपोर्ट चालू आसा 30 तारखे पर्यंत. ताका थोडेशें एक्सटेंशन दी म्हटलां लॉकडावन पिरियडा खातीर. ओके. सो दॅट ताका एक्सटेंशन मेळटलें. जॉयंट फॉरेस्ट कमिटीचो रिपोर्ट जो येवपाचो तो येयल्या उपरांतूच थॉमस आजावेदाची हियरींग सुरू जातली आनी हे हियरींग सुरू जाल्या उपरांत वी आर सबमिटींग दॅट रिपोर्ट अगेन टू द एनजीटी. सावंत कारापूरकरचो एनजीटीचो रिपोर्ट एकदां सबमीट जाला, पण ताच्यानी सबमिटेड म्हणून जर आमकां आयलें जाल्यार आमकां लोकांक एनओसीज खूब व्हडली डेवलपमेंट जी आसा पळय न्हू, खूब जाणांचे प्रायवेट फॉरेस्टाच्या विशयांत हे विशय सगळे अडकल्ले आसा. जो पर्यंत ते क्लियर जायना तो पर्यंत मोठमोठे प्रोजेक्ट हे स्टार्ट जावंक शकना. गव्हर्मेंटाचे काही प्रोजेक्ट हाडिल्ले ते फास्ट ट्रॅक करपाक स्ट्रीमलायन करपा खातीर इनिशिएटिव्स घेतल्या आनी तेजी फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटाची मिटींग आशिल्ली. संजय कुमार सेक्रेटरी इज सेक्रेटरी फॉर द रेव्हेन्यू ऑल्सो. रेव्हेन्यू कोडात कितें चेंजीस करचे हाज्या संदर्भातले डिस्कशन्स आनी मिटींग ताती हेजी आशिल्ली.
The congressmen will protest against the steep rise of the fuel prices on the 29th of this month in Margao and Mapsa. The congressmen also all over the country will pay tributes to the martyr soldiers on India's border with China in Ladakh and show that they are with our soldiers.
Congress will submit memorandums over the steep hike in fuel prices to the President of India through government offices. Social media campaigns will also be part of the protests.
ऑल इंडिया काँग्रेस पार्टीन फाल्यां पूर्ण देशांत जंय प्रत्येक स्टेटाची जी राजधानी आसा आनी थंय एक जो शहिदांचो खंय जागो आसतलो थंय आमी 1 वराचें शहिदां खातीर आमी सायलंट मुखो तांकां बसोवन तांकां सपोर्ट जाहीर करतले. जे सैनीक आमच्या बाउंड्रीचेर आपल्या लायफचेर रिस्क घेवन आमकां सांबाळपाचें काम करतात तांकां तेंको तांकां शक्ती आमी ऑल इंडिया पार्टीन आमच्या ऑल इंडिया लेवलाचेर करपाचें ठरयलां. जे आमचे शहीद गेल्यात म्हणजे एक कर्नल आनीक कर्नल बी संतोष बाबू आनी तेजे बरोबर 20 सैनीक आमचे शहीद जाल्यात. त्यांचे खातीर शहीदों को सलाम दिवस आमी मनयतले हें करतले, ऑब्जर्व करतले. पूण एक सिग्नल आमी दिवपाक सोदतात देशाच्या आमच्या सैनिकांक की ह्या वेळार काँग्रेस पक्ष तुमचे बरोबर आसा. आमी सोमारा दिसा 29 तारखेक 10 ते 12 आमी नॉर्थाक म्हापशां आनी सावथाक मडगांव हेजे सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाचें खंयचेंय जर ऑफिस आसता त्या ऑफिसा मुखार आमचो हो प्रोटेस्ट जातलो. कारण पेट्रोलाचो रेट आयज 79 रुपीज 92 पैसे न्यू रेकॉर्ड, हेजे पयलीं केन्नाच जावना. आनी डिझलाचो प्रायस जाल्लो आसा 80 रुपया 2 पैसे. सो ह्यो केसीस सगळे अवॉयड करपाक आमी जाताल्यो. ह्यो प्रत्येक केसीस आमच्यो तितल्योच उरता आशिल्ल्यो. हेणे जर पर्सनल स्वार्थ आपलो स्वार्थ सोडून जर राज्याच्या स्वार्थाचो इंट्रस्ट जर डिसिजन घेतलेली जाल्यार आयज ह्यो केसीस इतल्यो जावपाच्यो नाशिल्ल्यो. आनी म्हाका दिसता कालचो ताजो स्टेटमेंट की आतां तो चेंज केला, तो परत तें म्हणना कालच्यान ताणें भिवपाची कांयच गरज ना हें बंद केलें. हो मंत्र ताणें आतां सोडला आनी ताणें आतां दुसरो मंत्र धरला. आतां आमकां कोविडाच्या बरोबर जगपाचें आसा.
Amar Chaurya for Goa 365 from Panji.
The Kortalim MLA Alina Saldana has hit back at Sarpanches of Kasaulim and Velsam for stating that she has kept them in dark about the doubling of the tracks. She said that elected representatives should have been proactive to find out what is going on about the proposal to double-track railway line. This, however, said that the Chief Minister will convey a meeting with the railway authorities to find a solution.
The proposal to double the tracks of Southwestern Railways is a burning issue, what with the people of these villages through which the tracks pass opposing it. They complain that the coal dust is already affecting their health and the vibrations caused by the passing trains are damaging their houses.
Frankly, I did not know that she is a babe from the woods that needs to be guided by me. She is in public life much longer than I am, and being a people's representative, she should know that it is her responsibility to keep a watch on what's happening around her, but she has failed in that. If she is in the dark and totally ignorant about what is happening around her, what stops her from picking up the phone and giving me a call to find out what's happening? The Sarpanch of Velsaung Panchayat, Mr. Henry de Mello, has at last woken up from his slumber. The Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, has called for a meeting along with the representative of the Southwestern Railway and some village representatives, wherein this issue will be discussed threadbare, and hopefully we will find a solution to the problem.
Goa is too small a state to contain such mega projects. We have to ensure that our heritage is protected, that the houses of the poor are protected, because it is a well-known fact that noise pollution leads to constriction of blood vessels, which may result in problems like high blood pressure, etc. I think about a week ago or maybe 4 days ago, some villagers came to me, and along with the villagers, I went and met our Honorable Prime Minister, who gave us a patient listening. And right now, the Honorable Chief Minister has said that he is going to fix a meeting with the representative of the Southwestern Railway.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Vasco.
Well, with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, please log into our website at www.goa365.tv or follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Goa365TV. And also do subscribe to our YouTube channel at Goa365TV or simply download our app on both on Android and iPhones to watch it on mobile phones. Until then, keep watching Goa 365.